everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the finished jewelry for the Potomac beads of October 2023 Ghoulish goodies. I was able to make 2 pairs of earrings, a necklace, and then I did a tutorial for a charm bracelet, which I thought turned out really cute. If you're not familiar with the Potomac beads, this is the treasure subscription. It's formerly the regular box. It's used for techniques such as stringing, weaving, and freeform. There's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads each month. The stash beads may include new collections each month, same product in multiple colorways. There's 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box. Potomac Beads is really good about putting up videos on their YouTube channel. If you don't follow them, you should. The premium stash beads can be crystals, Czech glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, and other pieces. The price is $39.99 a month if you buy it monthly. If you buy it quarterly, it's $34.99 a month, so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99 a month, so you save $120 for the year. And let me tell you, this is a great box. So I'm going to start out. This was the tutorial. I will leave the link below to the adorable charm bracelet that I made. I had so much fun making this. I didn't end up taking one of the pieces off because it ended up being a little too large on me. So I did that, but I loved these leaves. And like I said in the tutorial, I wasn't sure if Potomac Beads had planned this for Halloween. Look at that little voodoo. Isn't he cute? But this purple, I've noticed, like, you know, going into Michael's and, you know, the craft stores, this purple is very popular this Halloween. So I wasn't sure if they planned that or they were just right on the money. So, yeah, so this was the charm bracelet, and I took a lot of the pieces from the Czech seed bead mix, that little baggie that they give you. It's so much fun because they're just little one-of-a-kind pieces. Here's the little tulip, and then these little drop beads. And then I just put the leaves on. I had some really fine antique brass jump rings. And then I have like the little heart here and the little orange fire polish beads. And this was the piece that I ended up taking off. So when you watch the video, you'll see me, I put it on and it was too big. So, and each piece, this is very eclectic one that I made. Nothing, you know, each one's different. And then I just did some little random little charms here at the ends, like I said. And I made this the focal piece. I ended up turning the square Czech glass bead into more of a spacer bead, which I've done with a couple of my other boxes too. I did it with one of their other boxes a couple months ago when I made a necklace. So yeah, it's cool because it's just, you know, you can use this in so many other ways. I'll show you. I did use this in another way for the earrings that I made. So yeah, and then I used this beautiful antique brass clasp, which comes off and on. So this is for me. So yeah, so I have that. Then I'm going to show you, I made these earrings. I thought these turned out really cool. And I ended up taking these and I just did antique brass jump rings in between. And I made them kind of like connectors. And so they're kind of like these metal earrings, you know, but they have that the square in them. They're so cool. And the way they're hanging, they're naturally hanging almost like a diamond. So I had originally started them out like this and they kind of went like that on their own. And I really ended up liking the way these turned out. So, yeah, so I made these and I ended up using antique brass pretty much for everything because, you know, it came in the box and I really liked the way it looked. So, yeah, so I have these. Then I made this necklace. I ended up taking some leaves and I put them on the, let me move these, the antique brass rings that they gave us. And I did one of these little wavy, these are more out of the Czech glass mix. And then these little leaves here I ended up staying with that. And then these rings that were so pretty. This gorgeous nugget. I love that. And I know each person's nugget is probably a little different. But then I used the 2 faceted fire polish beads that they gave us. And then I mixed up some of the crystal bicones with some of the seed beads they gave us and some of the other Czech glass rounds. And then these cute little dice looking ones. Love those with the little flower spacer. So I did that, and then I just kind of did that. And then the only thing I used a few of my 11-0 gold Miyuki seed beads because I wanted to put a little bit of a different color in there that was a metal look to it besides just the orange and the green. So I ended up doing that, and then I put a little leaf here on the tip, and I connected it with the lobster clasp that was antique brass. So I made this, and then the earrings to match it, I made these. So I love the way these turned out too. And like I said, I used more of the Czech glass mix there, the rings and the crystal bicones. I had so much fun with this month's box. I think I really did have a lot of fun. I was so behind this month because my dad being sick. So I was really behind. So I felt like I was kind of rushed this month, and I hate that because I really enjoy what I do here. So I filmed my tutorial for them, and then I ended up doing this on my own. So, yeah, so I'm not sure what you guys did with your box this year or this month, but I will tell you, I had a blast with it, and I really liked the antique brass that they added with this. I thought that looked pretty. You know, they could have mixed gold or silver, but I think the antique brass, it gave it a really pretty reflection of the colors that were in here. So, yeah, so this was my finished jewelry tutorial for the Potomac beads for October of 2023. And I will say I just received the box for November, and boy, are you guys going to be excited. But you won't see the unboxing until November 10th. So you will just have to wait anxiously. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have a lot of tutorials coming up, a lot of fun projects. And I have links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook below in the description, as well as to Potomac Beads if you would like to check out their website. I think you'd be very happy with what they send you. You know, I love that little Czech glass bead mix because it just kind of, just little here and there pieces, you know, that aren't patterned, you know, by a bag of just one kind, but, you know, just little artsy things, I call them, put inside of it. So, yeah, yeah, let me know down in the comments what you thought of this finished jewelry, and I will see you on my next video. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.